We are entering the house. Hi. Hi, Bubba. Smiles? Smiles? Hey, Bubba. Smiles? Hey, Bubba. 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 Smiles. Smiles? Oh my God, you're fucking with me, aren't you? Can we smile? Can we smile? Bubba. Smile. Smile. Oh my God, you're such an asshole.
Is he not smiling? He is smiling.
He is, but I can't get it.
Here. Smile.
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 Bubba.
Here. Here, smile.
Smile.
Come here.
Smile.
Come here.
Bubba. Smile. Bubba. Smile. Can we smile? Bubba. Bubba.
Oh, that didn't work.
Bubba. Smile.
He's excited.
Oh, yay! Yay! Yay!
Good boy.
Come another
Nice.
smile? Come
Good
another
smile.
smile? Come another one?
Smile at your mama's.
Hey, can I have another smile? Can I have another one? Bubba, can I have another smile? Come on. Cause this one. Oh, whatever. Next
And
to
then-
the cats.
Oh, move, dog.
This is my cat, Bootsy. She loves visitors. And Jen is a visitor today.
Hello. Bipolar, yes. Oh, Puddin. Puddin.
She thinks that she's being very protective of the house, while Babu should be the protector. Now we go to Gino. Where is Mr. Gino at?
We're over there by the window.
Hi, Bootsy. Give her a big kiss.
Oh, so pretty, cat. Oh, so pretty.
And that is the extent of my housewarming.